Meow. Meow. Hello, I'm Kari the cat. And, you like my bright yellow eyes? You might have seen my friends do this as well. It's, Kate the kitty and Charlie the cat. I'm called Kari the cat, so I'm Charlie the cat's best friend, actually. There's much more friends to join us. So, yeah, pretty cool. These are cool videos. They're all done by me. Some of them are by my friends and family, actually. Only going to be about five of them or something. But the chipmunk one by my sister. And yeah, so just there's more of the same where this came from. Much more on my account. Please subscribe to me as well. But my friends, Angry Bobby, Alex Hunter, and Minecraft Boy 787. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.